guys, welcome back to the course. Now in this particular video we're going to just restrict the users, okay, from accessing the admin dashboard, sorry, the student dashboard, when they are not logged into the application. Okay, so like if I am on this particular section, okay, which is the login page. Now if I try to access the dashboard, okay, if I try to access the dashboard without logging in, you see, so as you can see, a user can actually view this particular dashboard now without logging in. Okay, so we don't want that to happen. We want to stop that. All right, now you have to log in, like let's log in here, enter the reg number of the student. So let's log in. I think there's a mistake in this. Let's correct it. OBAGHO. Okay, GHO. There we go. Okay, good. Successful login. Alright, here we are on the dashboard page. Okay, so what we want to do here is we don't want a user to be able to access this particular page if he or she is not logged in into the application. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to close this browser again so as to keep the section. Then I'm going to open it a second time. Okay, so if I try to log in again, let's say I come back here, it's back to the dashboard page. See, I'm still logged in, so we don't want this. Okay, we don't want this. Now to stop this from happening, we're going to use the section variable that we set in the index page. Remember, we set the section in the index page. This is a section function created there, and you're setting it here after the user has successfully logged into the application. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the dashboard very quickly. Now at the top here where we are checking if the session is set, so I'm going to remove this closing curly brace for this section conditional check here. So I'm going to remove it from here. Then I will take it all the way down at the bottom. Okay, but before I do that, I'm going to open PHP here. Okay, PHP. Okay, so then here I'm going to bring that here. Okay, so I'm going to close it. As you can see, I'm closing this particular section here, this particular statement here. So which means that if a user is not logged in, we don't want, once this user this section username is not found, and remember this can only be set when the user clicks on the login or this the login button, that is this button here, the button on the home on this index page. Okay, once the user clicks on this particular button, whether this submit and continue, the session gets set. Okay, once that is not done, the session cannot be set. Okay, so back to our editor. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add an else statement here. Okay, I'm going to add an else statement. I'm going to say x let's just echo something here first of all to check. So echo you must log in to continue. Okay, so let's try this and see. All right, so first of all I'm going to go back here, refresh this page again. Okay, so then I'm going to try, and so as you can see I'm getting this. I say you must log in to continue. Okay, because I didn't log in, I'm just trying to access this URL by default. Okay, so you must log in to continue. What we want to do here is we want to redirect the user back to the login page, okay, for them to log in before they can continue. So to do that, I'll come back here, then I'm going to take this away, take all this away first of all. Then I'm going to write the PHP tag in opposite way. Okay, and guys, the reason I'm doing this is so that I'll be able to enter HTML in between. Okay, so once you open PHP the other way around, that is opposite way, you should be able to enter HTML inside. Okay, so here I'm going to all right, so I'm going to come back here, and I'll quickly just open HTML. So here I'm going to give this login tests as a title. Then I'll scroll up to the page, and I'm going to copy all the CSS information here. Okay, everything here, copying everything. Okay, Control C. Let's come down, and of course I'm going to paste this just above the title tag. Okay, yeah, there we go. So inside this body, I'm going to create a div with a class of container. Okay, then I'm also going to create another div here with a class of jumbotron. So you can actually style this any way you want. Okay, then inside jumbotron I'm going to create an h1, and I'm going to give it, as it says, you must log in to access this page. All right, then here I'm going to have a class of alert, bootstrap class, and alert dash danger, okay. Then underneath here I will have a p tag that says you will be redirected to the login page in 4 seconds. I can spare seconds. Okay, you'll be redirected, see here, in 4 seconds. So now to make that redirection happen, you can either redirect with PHP, but that will not allow this message to display. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to redirect with HTML header, meta header information. So I'm going to go to that meta here. I'm going to use the attribute that says http-equiv, and we need a refresh value there. Then I'm going to write another attribute, content. The first thing I write here is the time, the number of seconds I want it to stay before loading the page, and that's going to be 4 to match with what we wrote in the p tag above. Then here the page we want to direct the user back to is the index.php page. Alright guys, so this should be ready to run. Okay, so we're going to test run this and see what we have. So first of all, we're going to come back here. I'm going to refresh the page. Then let's try accessing the dashboard without logging in. And of course, we must log in to access this page. Okay, we'll be directed in 4 seconds. And of course, here we are back to the dashboard and to the index page. Okay, so I want to actually add a class here of text center as well. Okay, another thing I want to do here is just to style it up a bit. I'm going to add a style. I'm going to say font size. Let's make it 20 pixels. Okay, so let's try this again. Dashboard. Okay, you must log into access. We're supposed to add this here. Let me take this style. You must log in to access this page. Also, let's add the test center class to this as well. Okay, so hopefully this should give us what we want now. Back again to dashboard one more time. Yeah, this is looking better. Okay, you must log in to access this page. And if you not log in, let's see, one time we try to log in. LBAGHO, let's log in and see. By the time you log in, okay, by the time you're logged in, then you see we can view the dashboard, okay, without having to face that particular issue of redirecting back to the login page. So guys, this is it for this particular video. So in the next video, we're going to continue with adding some of the functionalities of the login of the dashboard. Okay, so thanks for watching, and guys, I will see you in the next video.